Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube description. This video is very useful for you who wants to change your YouTube channel description. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. There are two options to change your YouTube description. The first is by using YouTube app and the second is by using browser. For the first, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube description by using YouTube app. Just open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, you can see there at the top right corner, there is your profile picture. Just tap your profile picture. And then you can see here, there are some options. Just choose your channel. Here is your YouTube channel. There are some options here. Manage videos, the graphic icon, and also the pencil icon. Just tap the pencil icon. Channel settings. In channel settings, you can change your profile picture, your YouTube banner, your YouTube name, and also your YouTube description. And to change your YouTube description, just tap the pencil icon on the right of the description. To make a good YouTube description, I suggest you to use this structure. The first is introduce your channel. What's your channel about? Type in the first place. For example, here I write, I'm here to provide you with answers for all the questions you have related to social media tutorial and more. Describe your channel about. Describe your niche here. And also you can add your channel keyword here. So your channel will be easily found on YouTube search. And the second is write call to action. For example, I write here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest social media tutorial videos from me. Why? Because I upload videos every day. After giving call to action, give the reason why the audience have to do that. Here I give the reason because I upload videos every day. You also can add your contact and social media here. So if someone wants to promote something to your channel, they will be easy to contact you. That's the best structure for YouTube description. That's the first way to change YouTube description by using YouTube app. Okay, let's go to the second by using browser. You can use any browser here. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. Here I'm using iPhone, so I will use Safari. But don't worry, this tutorial works on iPhone and also Android. Let's just open your browser. After opening your browser, you can just tap your search bar and then just type studio.youtube.com. And then just tap go. After opening YouTube Studio on browser, make sure that you have logged in to the channel you want to edit. Just go to customization. Channel customization. Here there are some options, layout, branding, and basic info. Just choose basic info. In basic info, you can change your YouTube channel name and also YouTube description. You can type here your description, and then after typing and modifying your YouTube description, then you can just click publish on the top right corner and your YouTube description will be changed. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing your YouTube description. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notification to Fauhow channel so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you.